In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy page to your website and ensure your visitors are informed about how their data is handled. This process is not only essential for legal compliance, but also helps build trust with your audience by being transparent about your privacy practices. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to add a new page to your website. The process for this might vary slightly depending on the platform you're using, be it WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or another. Generally, there will be an option in your website editor labeled Add Page or something similar. Look for this in your site's dashboard and go ahead and click to start a new blank page. Once you have your new page, it's time to insert the privacy policy content. If you already have a completed privacy policy document, you can simply copy and paste the text into the page editor. But if you don't have one yet, many website platforms offer templates that you can use as a starting point. To use a template, look for a feature that provides policy document templates or search online for reputable sources offering free privacy policy generators. These generators typically ask you a few questions about your website's data practices and email the finished document to you. Customize it with your specific information, ensuring that it reflects the data practices unique to your website or business. When adding the text, make sure it's readable and well organized. It's helpful to break the information into sections, such as data collection, data usage, cookies, third-party sharing, and user rights. Use headings and subheadings to make the content easy to navigate, so your visitors can quickly find the information they need. Next, you'll want to make your new privacy policy page visible to your visitors. On most platforms, there's an option to publish the page once you're satisfied with your work. Before doing so, double-check the text for any spelling or grammatical errors. This step is important for maintaining a professional appearance. Once you're ready, click the Publish button. This action will make your new privacy policy page live, meaning anyone who visits your site can access it. Then, to ensure it's easy for people to find, consider adding a link to this page in your website's footer, as this is a common practice most users are accustomed to looking for. You can also include a link in your website's navigation menu if appropriate. And there you have it. Your site now features a clear and accessible privacy policy page. Remember, keeping this document up to date is crucial, particularly if there are changes in your data collection practices or privacy laws.